Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to English Club with a very short and special video today. In today's lesson, we're going to learn the usage of relative pronoun. Relative pronouns connect two separate sentences or two clauses. Relative pronouns come at the beginning of relative clauses or dependent adjective clauses. The relative pronouns are words like who, which, what, whom, whose, that, etc. So, who, which, what, whom, whose, that. These words are called relative pronouns. When you find these words at the beginning of a relative clause, I mean dependent adjective clause. So let's see how to solve questions in different competitive exams. Question number 1. This is a medical admission test question in 2023. What kind of pronoun are who, what, and which? So who, what, and which you can find here. Who, what, and which. Very easy question. The options are demonstrative, personal, relative, and reflexive. So our answer is relative pronoun. Right. So the correct answer is relative pronoun. So I hope you've understood how to solve the questions. You just need to keep the words in your mind. Who, which, what, whom, whose, that. Next question. Charlie Chaplin was a comedian dash was best known for his work in silent movies. This is a question from Jahangirnagar University in 2017-18 session. Right, the options are who, which, whose, and what. Charlie Chaplin was a comedian dash was best known for his work in silent movies. So a person, to indicate a person, we generally do not use the words like what, whose, or which, right? Which is generally for thing, right? Not people or person. Whose. This is not the right answer, as you can see here. Whose. This is actually possessive adjective. You can see a verb here, was. So you need a subject, right? So this is not the right answer. Whose. This is an adjective, possessive adjective. And what, this is actually not used before or to indicate people, right? So who, option A, this is the right answer. Charlie Chaplin was a comedian who was best known for his work in silent movies. I hope you've understood the question and how to solve it. The last question, who, which, what are dash. Who, which, and what. Directly from the line, who, which, and what are dash. Demonstrative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, indefinite pronoun, and relative pronoun. So this is the right answer. Who, which, what are relative pronoun. So I hope you've understood the lesson very easily and clearly. But if you still have any questions, you can comment. I'll try to answer your questions, inshallah. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.